for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, floor mats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.